3:15 and 3:14 for a shooting at Century Theaters.
July 20th, I think, was a night that, quite honestly, changed every single person's life here in Colorado.
They're saying somebody's shooting in the auditorium.
It's so vivid in my head still, like fresh.
The emergency department that night was absolutely packed.
It was just, business as usual.
It was busy. There was a lot going on.
Basically, every bed was full. We were using our overflow beds, and we were just seeing patients as fast as we could.
We were already understaffed with ER staff that night.
One of my friends, a police officer, called and said there'd been a shooting at the theater.
In our mind, we're thinking like a gang shooting. It was summer, it was nice out.
So we started getting into gear and started to get ready for maybe 1 or 2 patients.
We need rescue inside the auditorium, multiple victims. I got 7 down in theater 9, 7 down!
We got the first patient came in the front door as a walk-in.
Do I have permission to start taking some of these victims via car? I got a whole bunch of people shot out here, no rescue.
And then all of a sudden, within an hour, we had an additional 23 critically ill patients who showed up on our doorstep, literally in the backs of police cars.
Yes, load them up, get them in cars, and get them out of here.
I can just remember hearing certain people scream and cry.
It was just, how can I take care of these patients as best as I can, as quickly as I can?
It was a giant production.
12 hours flew. It came by so fast.
We were able to work on instinct and adrenaline because we didn't even have time to think.
It wasn't until I sat down the next morning that I kind of realized the enormity of what we had just gone through.
Everyone was affected. Everyone felt this.
It was an absolutely personal night.
We rooted for our patients. We said our prayers for the patients.
We had 70 people who were shot, 58 people who essentially had a pulse on arrival to not just our hospital, but to every other hospital in the area. And every single person's alive today, from the person who donated blood 3 weeks before the event happened, to the social workers who came out of the woodworks, literally.
From the ICUs to the medical floors.
From the housekeepers to the security to the administration, everybody came in.
It was absolutely a team effort, and I think we're fortunate that we can kind of accept that on behalf of the entire, not just healthcare community, but I would say the entire Denver metro area. Every single person needs to be just recognized for their work that night.